Hi guys, welcome back again. So in this video, we are going to solve the second problem of Biweekly Contest 178. That is sum of GCD of formed pair, right? So we have given nums and nums length is n, right? Or we need to construct the prefix GCD. How we can construct prefix GCD? So GCD of nums of I, okay, prefix GCD of ith position is nums of I, ith position nums, and maximum of I means from 0 to ith index whatever number will be maximum, so we will take that number and make the GCD, right? Finally, what we'll do, we need to sort that prefix GCD. We need to make the pair of first smallest and like smallest and largest. It means from left and right. Okay, we are making pair until we are not able to form the pair. Okay, that is okay. Now we need to compute GCD of that two pair element from left to right, whatever we are getting. And in odd element, middle element, we need to ignore middle element. And after that, whatever GCD we are computing, so we need to add that GCD, or finally we need to return. Okay, let's understand with this example 264. So they are making zeroth index, that is zeroth index. What will be GCD? 2, and maximum is also 2, because only one element is there, so GCD will be 2. Again we will take 2 to 6, element will be 6, or maximum of 2 6, that is also 6. GCD will be 6 only. And from here to here, what will be maximum element? 6. And current element is 4, right? So what will be GCD of 4 and 6? That will be 2, right? Now this is a prefix GCD, we are sorting it. Now make the pair, maximum or minimum pair. Okay, that's why we'll start from left and this is from the right, and we'll make pair and find the GCD, or we will add 2. Okay, now we are not able to make any pair. If we are able to make the pair, here you can see, in this case we are able to make the pair. That's why we are taking 2 8 here, 2 8 and 3 6, and we are adding for the answer. Okay, right? So how we can do, let's see. Okay, let's understand the problem clearly once again. This is easy only. So we have given 3 6 2 8. Now what we have to do, we have to take, this is the prefix GCD, right? From this index, we need to find maximum and current element. GCD will be 3. From here to here, we need to find maximum and current element. Maximum is 6 and current element is 6. GCD will be 6 only. Now from here to here, maximum is 6 or current element is 2. What will be GCD? 2. Now from here to here, maximum element will be 8 and current element will be 8. Right. So GCD will be 8. Now what we have to do, we need to sort it. 2, 3, 6, 8. Now make pair of min or max. Min max pair and find the GCD, that is 2. Make the pair, find the GCD, that is 3 6. GCD will be 3. So answer will be 5. Right. So let's directly understand the code. This is easy only. We will just follow the step. We don't have to do anything extra. Okay, let's see the code. We have given nums array. So we are taking the prefix GCD. Our current max is 0. We are finding the current maximum element and finding the GCD of current num and maximum from 0th index to current index, ith index. Okay, we are finding GCD. I hope everybody know the GCD, how we can find the GCD. And after computing the prefix GCD, we need to sort it. They have clearly mentioned in the problem. We need to take one sum for the answer purpose, and we will iterate from left and right. Right? So left and right should be lesser than, because in odd case, middle element will be, if you will take equal, middle element will be same element. Okay, so that's why we are taking left should be lesser than right. and we are finding the GCD of left and right, and we are adding into the answer. Then we are increasing the left and decreasing the right, or finally we are returning the sum. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.